Hi, my name is Mike, and this guy over here to my right is my business partner, Robert. And if you care about or often find yourself thinking about your financial future and financial prosperity, I'd like to tell you about a really cool project that we've been working on for the past few years, which has frankly never been done before. Now, basically, we're uncovering the investing strategies used by the rich to profit in good times and bad, and then teaching these little known yet extremely lucrative strategies to people just like you all over the world so that you can create a more secure and prosperous financial future. Now, it doesn't matter if you're rich or poor, young or old, or where you live. If you want to become wealthy, you have to do what the wealthy do. And if you want to learn their strategies, then just keep watching, because I'm going to show you how I've been able to personally build up a passive six-figure income stream of more than $10,000 per month from cash flow real estate in less than 6 months without any previous real estate experience. I'm also going to show you how I legally set up a tax-free retirement of over $100,000 per month that's protected from any potential stock market crashes. And finally, I'm going to show you how I've been able to make over $3 million in revenue in less than 7 days following an investment strategy that's been used by every single wealthy person that I've ever met. Now, here's the really interesting part. I've been able to do all of this despite the fact that I'm not an investing or financial guru of any kind. In fact, I don't even know how to use my E-Trade account. Now, probably like you, I'm extremely busy and I don't have the luxury or even the desire to spend years of my life learning how to become some expert stock trader, real estate investor, or oil tycoon. So instead, I created the ultimate shortcut, which has enabled me to earn higher annual returns than Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, along with almost every major hedge fund and mutual fund, by stealing the strategies used by the ultra-rich and then applying them to my life. Now today, our goal is to share this information with as many people as we can, people just like you, in order to level the playing field and empower the middle class with the same opportunities that the ultra-rich have. What I'm about to show you has the ability to immediately change the financial destiny of you and your family for generations to come, so please pay attention. I'm going to go through these techniques as quickly as I can because the solution is really quite simple. Now, if all of this sounds far-fetched, I totally understand, and that's why I'm about to do something very risky. And I say it's risky because I run the risk of having you leave, turned off and skeptical, writing this whole thing off as one of those too good to be true things on the internet. Well, quite frankly, what I'm about to show you is too good to be true for many people because it was the result of a lot of work, a lot of trial and error, and many, many expensive lessons learned the hard way. But at the end of the day, it turned me into a multi-millionaire. And while I cannot promise you that you'll get the same results or any results for that matter, I can promise you this. By the end of this short video, you will see exactly how it was done, and you'll have the opportunity to follow in our footsteps. Well, my name is Mike Dillard. I'm a 35-year-old single dad, and I live on a modest ranch just outside Austin, Texas, raising goats, chickens, and tending to an organic greenhouse in my spare time. And back in 2005, I decided that I'd had enough of corporate America, and I wanted to become an entrepreneur so that I could achieve financial independence. Myself and having a job really didn't mix well together. And so I pursued becoming an entrepreneur, and within 18 months, I went from dead broke and waiting tables to making my first $1 million by the age of 27. Over the past few years, over 1 million readers around the world have subscribed to my email newsletters on entrepreneurship, marketing, and financial education, and I've had the privilege of speaking to thousands of people around the world from stage or through the various publications that we've been featured in. Now, these days, my business partner Robert and I run 3 companies out of 2 offices with dozens of employees, which have produced more than $35 million in combined revenue over the past 3 to 4 years alone. And we've been able to pass this success forward to many worthwhile organizations over the years. And in fact, we were just named the Outstanding Corporation of the Year for the Make-A-Wish Foundation here in Texas. Now, I know when it comes to the internet, people can just throw out numbers or make up anything that they want. So I thought I'd pull out an old tax return, and it's old for privacy reasons, of just one of the 3 businesses we own, which did about $6.3 million, as you can see here, just by itself years ago. Now, despite my success as a business owner, I want you to know that I wasn't born rich and I wasn't raised with any kind of education in wealth creation. I grew up in a middle-class family with hardworking parents who did the exact same thing that everybody else did with their money. They handed it over to a financial advisor who invested it In the long term, in a diversified portfolio of mutual funds, and bought a house. After all, that's exactly what their parents did. But after a lifetime of work, my family wasn't rich. They weren't retired, and neither were any of their friends, despite the fact that many of them had reached the highest levels of the corporate totem pole. So call me crazy, but when their financial advisor wanted to sit me down and put an investment strategy in place for my future, I looked at him with just a little bit of skepticism. After all, he wasn't wealthy, he wasn't retired, and yet he had this very pretty picture of a pyramid that illustrated all of the strategies and financial products that he was about to place my money into. Well, ironically, he and his company made a commission on every single one of them, whether I actually made a dime or not. So I would come to realize that they were selling me into Wall Street's promise, which basically goes something like this. Give us your money for the next 40 years, and we'll make sure you have plenty to live on when you retire at the age of 65. Which might be nice if that were actually true, but as the world found out in 2008, Wall Street will promise you the world to get their hands on your money, but they won't take any responsibility when they lose it, and lose it they did. I was horrified by the fact that my family and their friends lost nearly everything in the crash of 2008, and yet their only option was to keep giving money to the exact same people who lost it for one simple reason. They weren't aware of an alternative, and most likely, neither do you. Now, as far as I was concerned, there had to be a better way, and that's when I had an idea. Now, I've always been taught that if you want to achieve a certain goal in life, follow in the footsteps of those who've already accomplished that goal. If you want to become rich, then invest your money like the rich do. So that's exactly what I decided to do. So we grabbed the camera and decided that we were going to crack open the black box investing strategies used by the rich and invest our personal money the exact same way they did. So how did our plans turn out? Well, I'm going to share the details of that story with you shortly, but first I need to fill you in on 3 specific goals that we laid out as our journey began. The first was to set up a rock-solid foundation. I wanted to set up an automated wealth-building process that ensured 2 things. First, that I was richer every single month than I was the month before, and that this money was protected from other people and stock market crashes like the one in 2008. Now, my second goal was to create financial security in my life by using the asset protection strategies of the rich and by investing in assets that should do well no matter what happens to the economy in the future. And my final goal was to make as much passive income as possible by implementing the wealth growing strategies of the rich. After all, I'd much rather have a big check sent to me every month than keep my fingers crossed that Apple stock is going to keep going up for the next 30 years. So now that I had my plan in place, it was time to execute. But as I soon found out, I still had one major problem standing in my way. I had no idea where to actually find these magical, mystical investment deals that fill your mailbox with cash every month. So in frustration, I actually found myself typing buy assets into Google, hoping that I'd find anything or anyone that could help me move forward. And as expected, this desperate attempt got me nowhere. I had just stumbled headfirst into one of the biggest problems keeping hard-working people stuck in the retail investment slaughterhouse, and that is an empty Rolodex. This is what I call the black box of the rich. You see, there are 2 primary pieces of the puzzle that people like you and I have been missing. The first are the actual strategies used by the rich, which are never offered to the middle class because it's more profitable to just stick you and everybody else in a mutual fund with high fees and send you on your way. Now, the second missing piece of the puzzle is a Rolodex filled with people who can help you implement those strategies. Now, the bottom line is that you need to know people. I couldn't find any world-class investments online because truly great opportunities never need to be advertised. There is always a long line of investors within that deal's social circle ready to participate, and you have to have a Rolodex if you're going to get one of those phone calls. There's always a long line of investors within that deal's social circle ready to participate, and the opportunity is gone before the public even knew it existed, which is why people like you and I have always found ourselves outside this circle and swimming with the sharks on Wall Street who are more than happy to sell us on the next big thing like the disastrous Facebook IPO. Now, fortunately, my success as an entrepreneur meant that I was only an introduction away from some of the best investors on the planet. I had just never bothered to seek them out until now. So, over the next 3 years, I would devote my life to uncovering and implementing these black box investing strategies of the rich with my own personal money. So how did my harebrained idea to invest like these guys turn out? Well, let's throw up the scoreboard between the old school traditional routes and what we did. Now, here's the results for the old school. According to hedgefundresearch.com, the average hedge fund returned 6.2% last year. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway is up 7.3% over the past 5 years. That's an average return of just 1.46% per year. Now, the average return for all domestic stock-based mutual funds over the past 5 years is just 5.47%. The S&P returned just 7.5% in 2012 and is only up 10% over the last 5 years. Now, what about the Dow? Well, the Dow returned just 12.36% over the past 5 years. That's an average of 2.47% per year, which essentially means that once you adjust for inflation, investors' real returns are basically zero. Now, I don't know about you, but I am not impressed, and I don't want my money in that circus. Now, before we dive into my results, I just want to remind you that these results pertain to my personal investments only, and because I still hold all of them at this point in time, they could go up or down depending upon market conditions. I'm sharing my results with you here today to simply illustrate what's possible when you start to look beyond Wall Street. All right, so how did I do using the strategies acquired from the wealthy? Well, one of the first lessons that I learned as I started my journey into the world of the rich is that many of them keep at least 10% of their money in physical gold or silver bullion. They use it like insurance to protect their wealth from inflation and financial instability, which has become a major concern for many of them in 2008, especially with everything that's been happening in Europe. So following in their footsteps, I made my first precious metals purchase when the silver spot price was back at $8.88, and gold was back at $818 an ounce. Now, as of the time of this writing, that's a total return of just over 253% in silver and just over 100% for gold. Now, owning gold and silver has helped me acquire something incredibly valuable, which is peace of mind. Should the stock market crash, inflation run rampant, or frankly, if the North Koreans figure out how to use that big red button one day, I know that my gold and silver will serve as the ultimate financial insurance policy. But be careful, because not all gold and silver is created equal. As I've learned, there are many different types of coins, bars, or collectibles out there that you can purchase, and some types are definitely preferable to others, especially when it comes to the price you're going to pay and the premium and taxes. All right, that brings me to my second investment, which is truly one of the secret strategies of the rich, and there's a very good chance that you've never seen of this or heard of this before. Now, one of my first goals was to identify the best way to create a secure retirement foundation that would not be susceptible to the crazy ups and downs of the market we've experienced over the past few years. So using my network, I was introduced to a wealthy investor who taught me how to essentially create my own family bank, which is a strategy used by the rich to accomplish several very, very, very important things. Now, let me give you an idea of what this has enabled me to do and the other people who have started to use this. First and foremost, it provides you with a return on your money of at least 2 to 10% per year without risking your principal, which means the amount will never drop even if the market does. Now, can you imagine how much pain this could have saved so many people during the crash of 2008? If they hadn't lost a dime of their principal, maybe they just didn't make any interest that year, it would have been life-changing. Now, the next benefit is that it enables you to access your money whenever you want without penalties, so that you can take advantage of timely investment opportunities or even family emergencies. Third, it provides incredible asset protection against creditors in most states, so you'll never have to worry about losing your retirement money due to a lawsuit or bankruptcy. Now, unlike 401ks or IRAs, there's no limit to how much you can invest. This strategy offers extreme liquidity so that you can have your money in your hands within a few days for any reason that you want. It provides you with monthly revenue in the case of a disability. You can use it to essentially be your own bank so that you can buy your home, your cars, or even your child's college education without the need to get an expensive loan from a bank. In addition, it allows you to hand down your family's wealth to the next generation without any tax penalties. And speaking of taxes, this strategy will even allow you to legally pull out 100% of your money tax-free whenever you decide to retire. So this one single investment has completely covered my retirement. For 40 years, starting at age 60 all the way through age 100, I will have an estimated income of approximately $100,000 per month based on its historic average annual return. And by law, I do not have to pay a single dime in taxes on that money when I decide to retire, nor will it ever drop in amount even if the market does. Now, the best part is that you don't have to be rich to invest like the rich. Just about anyone can use this strategy, even if you're next to broke and waiting tables like I was. Now, remember my goal earlier when I talked about generating automated wealth? Well, every month I'm adding money automatically to this account. And while it's sitting there, it's making an average return of about 6% per year and enjoying all of the benefits that I mentioned earlier. So the system is like a holding tank for your investment money. And once the balance hits a certain level, I hand it over to one of the amazing people in our growing Rolodex who are helping us reach our goal of replacing our active income with passive income by investing it in cash flow real estate. In fact, this is how I was able to make my next investment, which was one of those magical, mystical real estate deals that can send you a check every month. Now, I really don't know much about investing in real estate, which is once again why that Rolodex of people who do is so important. Now, this particular company is a second-generation real estate family who moved to Austin a few years ago, and the complex you see here that they helped me invest in was located in San Antonio, and I have to tell you, it's been an absolutely fantastic experience. So far, my cash-on-cash return is 11.25% in the first year, and the total projected return for investors, should we decide to sell the property today, is already at 37% before any of the tax benefits are even considered. But the best part of all of this is that it's been a completely hands-free experience. All of the property management is taken care of for me, so all I have to do is cash a check when I get it in the mail. Now, as my Rolodex continued to grow, I was introduced to a fantastic couple who have become very good friends of mine from Aspen, Colorado, who have literally helped build that town over the last 30 years. But after the real estate bubble popped in 2007, they started looking for new opportunities in today's new economy. And that opportunity came in the form of mobile housing developments for the oil field crews who typically work out in the middle of nowhere. Now, you'd have to have been living under a rock if you haven't heard about the massive oil and gas boom taking place around the United States over the past few years. And in many ways, it's akin to the California gold rush back in the 1800s. So our little group purchased over 300 of these mobile housing units and set them up in the North Dakota Bakken Range. And this is a picture of them right here. And thrilled to have access to clean, comfortable housing at an affordable price, the workers moved in quickly. And the results have been fantastic, with the project on track to return over 56% in year one after just 6 months in operation. Now, the passive monthly cash flow that just shows up in my mailbox every month from these two real estate investments alone is already over $10,000 per month. This is cash that shows up every single month, whether the stock market goes up or down. And all I have to say is that this approach to investing has been much more fun, much more rewarding, and frankly, much less stressful than opening stock portfolio statements every month while keeping your fingers crossed that it didn't go down in value. And that brings me to the most profitable investment strategy of the rich that I've been able to implement over the past couple of years, which is to start a small business. Now, during this project, I've had the chance to interview dozens of wealthy individuals. Some are just married couples in real estate, and others are billionaires like Richard Branson here. And without exception, all of them had one thing in common. They all own a business. This is the ultimate investment strategy used by the rich. They use their businesses to produce active income, which is then invested into passive cash flow assets like real estate. And once you're making enough passive income to cover your monthly bills, well, guess what? You're financially free at that point. You can retire, you can go to an island, you can do whatever you want. You know, I've been unbelievably fortunate that I took the time to teach myself how to build a little internet business years ago when I was in my 20s. It took quite a few years of learning lessons the hard way, but once I figured it out, I literally went from waiting tables to making 7 figures by the age of 27. That first little business that I started way back when has produced over $20 million in revenue since 2007, and it continues to make millions of dollars per year to this very day. Now, the best part about living in the internet age is that you can start a small business from your home in your spare time for about $1,000. Now, obviously, my results aren't typical and shouldn't be expected, but they are a great example of what is possible when you invest the time and effort into building your future instead of somebody else's. All right, so let's review our scorecards real quick. Old school, average hedge fund 6.2% last year. Berkshire Hathaway, 7.3% since 2008. That's just almost 1.5% return per year. Average domestic mutual funds, 5.47% since 2008. The S&P 500, 10% since 2008. That's a 2% average return per year. And the Dow is an average return of 2.7% per year since 2008. And here's what I've been personally able to accomplish following the investing strategies of the ultra-rich that is outside the Shark Tank of Wall Street. There you can see gold just over 100%, silver 250%. My personal bank has been pulling in an average of 6% per year with all of the asset protection benefits. The apartment housing complex, 11.25% cash flow per year with an additional return of 37% if we were to sell it today. The mobile housing units have pulled in over 56% in the first 6 months. And my first home business that I started back in my 20s for less than $1,000 has generated over $20 million in revenue. And frankly, I don't know what the true ROI to that, but it's more than 10,000%. So clearly, the investment strategies of the rich, once you learn them, can have huge advantages over the Main Street approach and Wall Street approach that so many people are sucked into as soon as they enter adulthood. Now, at this point, you've probably got a few thoughts running through your head like, okay, Mike, those are some impressive returns, but they're your results. What does this have to do with me? Or maybe you're saying to yourself, hey, this sounds great, Mike, but I don't have a lot of money to invest right now. I'm broke. So is this something that I can even use? Well, those are two great questions, and I'm going to answer those for you right now. You know, what started as a simple passion project for my business partner, Robert, and I soon turned into real results. In less than 36 months, I went from zero knowledge, experience, or contacts in the investing world to outperforming almost every major hedge fund and mutual fund on the market. And while taking this journey was an incredibly rewarding experience, our real mission was to empower the people of the world, people just like you, with the knowledge and ability to produce true wealth, no matter how young or old, rich or poor they might be. And now we want to hand all of it over to you. Every single strategy we've learned and every person we've used to accomplish these results was documented on film and placed in a state-of-the-art private website for our members. As a result, the Elevation Group is the single best resource in the world dedicated to teaching the investing strategies of the rich to the middle class and providing you with the context that you need in order to bring them to life. Over 40,000 people from around the world have used our work to learn how to increase their financial security and prosperity. And today, we'd like to offer you the opportunity to become one of them. Now, the examples that I've shared with you over the past few minutes are just the tip of the iceberg. And in fact, here's just a small sample of the other strategies and techniques that you'll have instant access to once you join. First and foremost, you're going to learn how to create your own cash flow bank that allows you to make money just like a bank does every time you make an investment. This system boosted my total return by more than 6% every time I used it. You'll discover the easiest way to own cash flow real estate and make monthly passive income without being a landlord. I'll even introduce you to the two groups that I make all of my real estate investments with. You'll learn everything that you need to know about buying and selling gold and silver. Is it too late to get into precious metals, or have they peaked? Should you buy bars, coins, collectibles, or bullion? Well, you'll discover exactly what the wealthy are doing, and I'll introduce you to the companies and brokers I personally buy all of my gold and silver from. Now, having a clean credit score is a critical foundation step to building wealth and acquiring assets. So we're going to teach you how to get free copies of your credit reports and scores from all of the major credit bureaus, and then how to increase your score by approximately 100 points within the next 4 months. Next, we're going to teach you how to legally access money you thought was trapped in your IRA so that you can invest it in higher yield investments like cash flow real estate, oil wells, or even physical gold and silver. Next, I'm going to give you the contact information to my personal CPA, who also happens to be Robert Kiyosaki's CPA. Now, unlike most CPAs, Tom is a sophisticated investor and a business owner, so he understands and uses the strategies of the rich. Now, with this kind of knowledge, he was able to reduce my taxes by more than 30% on our very first phone call. Now, a lot of people always wonder, should you pay off your home mortgage as fast as possible? Well, the rich get richer by not paying off certain kinds of debt, and we're going to teach you which kind and how it's done and why. Now, if you've ever read one of Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad books, you've probably noticed that he's a big fan of investing in oil wells that produce monthly cash flow like real estate. Well, we've tracked down and made investments with the very same team he uses, and I'm going to introduce you to them as well. Next, we're going to show you how computer algorithms and high-frequency trading practices have turned the stock market into what might just be the riskiest way to save for retirement today. And then we're going to teach you the strategies risk-averse wealthy investors are relying on instead. Now, would you like to get paid to borrow money whenever you buy a car, a house, or pay for your child's college tuition? Well, we're going to show you how this can be done, and I'm going to introduce you to the professional who can help set up this wealth building strategy even if you're on a budget. Next, you're going to learn how to legally hide your money from creditors, make it safe from lawsuits, safe from the tax man, and even safe from an ex-spouse. Now, whether you're looking to move money overseas to protect it, or if you just need to set up a family trust, you need an asset protection strategy. So I'm going to introduce you to the team who's created mine, along with some of the wealthiest families in the world. Now, you probably remember that $100,000 per month tax-free retirement that I talked about in the very beginning of this video. Well, my good friend Patrick is going to help you create a freely accessible retirement fund that allows you to legally withdraw your money when you retire 100% tax-free and without all of those mind-numbing government restrictions. Now, here's an interesting question. Do you wish you could get paid every time somebody fills up their car at the gas pump? Well, we're going to show you how a conservative oil and gas strategy could send you a check in the mail every month, double your initial investment in just 5 to 7 years, and save you an insane amount of money on your taxes. Now, this Dallas company has been investing in oil for more than 30 years. They're the ones who we invest our money with, and as an EVG member, you're going to have instant access to their contact information as well if this is something that you want to pursue. And next, I'm going to introduce you to my IRA specialist, Rich, who's going to teach you how to strategically combine 8 different types of IRAs, which will allow you to invest up to $110,000 per year in an IRA. You're also going to learn how to legally access the money in your IRA without penalties, even if you're not 59 years old yet. Now, if you have kids and want them to go to college, we're going to show you a financial strategy that will actually pay you to send them there instead of burdening them or you with expensive student loans. We're going to teach you the same method used by the ultra wealthy to bring your family together and teach them about wealth creation and provide a virtually foolproof framework to increase your family's wealth every single generation. This is one of the biggest secrets of the ultra wealthy, and you'll never learn this system from your retail level financial advisor. Now, just like they did in 2008, the rich are using 3 strategies to protect their assets in case of another financial crisis. Strategies that provide growth and stability in normal economic times, but can also provide explosive returns during a future crisis, and we're going to teach you those 3 methods as well. Now, what if you want to increase your monthly income? Well, I'm going to show you how I built my very first home business while I was dead broke and waiting tables, which has gone on to make more than $20 million in revenue. So guys, this is just a fraction of what we've documented and what you'll learn as an Elevation Group member. And the best part is that everything comes from real life experience. This isn't theory or some old dusty financial book written by a scholar who's never actually done any of it. This has been a living adventure that will take the 2 of us around the world and inside the black box investing strategies of the rich in a way that has never been done before, and most importantly, in a way that everyone can understand. I'm pulling back the curtains and I'm giving all of us the knowledge your financial advisor either never wanted you to see because he can't get paid on it, or that he didn't know existed. So for the very first time, anyone who wants it, no matter what your current financial status might be, will have access to the strategies and techniques that are actually used by the truly rich to invest, protect, and grow their wealth, whether the markets are going up or crashing down. Individuals that I have come to know and trust who are worth tens of millions, hundreds of millions, and even billions of dollars are going to sit down and they're going to teach you their philosophies and beliefs about money that enabled them to attract it. They're going to sit down and they're going to show you how and where they invest their money so that you can grow it like they do. They're going to teach you how to protect your money from financial disaster and give your children the leadership and the skills they need in order to respect the wealth that you and your family create so that they can be free as well. Building wealth in your life is about to get real. It's about to get personal, and it's about to get very, very detailed. Whether you're in debt, about to retire, or if you're just starting the most productive years of your life, The Elevation Group is going to provide you with the answers you need to take control of your financial destiny and give the proverbial finger to financial mediocrity. So if you'd like to get instant access to the only education source of its kind that will allow you to tap into the actual investing strategies used by the ultra wealthy to create a solid financial foundation, protect your quality of life, and grow your wealth year after year, along with all of the contacts that I've personally used to implement these strategies, this is your opportunity. Now, when you join today, not only will you get instant access to our entire library and our personal Rolodex, but you're also going to receive a 50% discount if you agree to the following. Now, the Elevation Group is a private membership, and there is only one rule or expectation that we require of you as a member, which is that you take responsibility for your financial decisions. We have zero tolerance for whiners, complainers, excuse makers, and people who like to blame others for their problems. And I surround myself with positive people who constantly seek to better themselves, and that includes our members. So if you're willing to do that, you are welcome to join. Now, if you aren't familiar with private memberships or newsletters in the financial arena, I can tell you right now that they aren't cheap. The majority of them cost from $2,000 to $12,000 per year, with some as high as $50,000 per year. And in fact, here's the receipt of just one newsletter that I subscribe to, which cost me $15,000 per year to join. Now, obviously, our goal with the Elevation Group is to get this information into the hands of as many people as possible. So the price to access the entire library of investment strategies and contacts isn't going to be anywhere near that high. And in fact, if you were to head over to our homepage, you can purchase an annual membership to the Elevation Group today for just $1,197. But right here, right now, I'd like to offer you two very, very substantial upgrades. First, I'm going to upgrade your annual membership to a lifetime membership, which means that you'll receive instant access to the entire Invest Like the Rich library today. And you're also going to get free access to every new lesson and strategy that we're going to produce in the coming months and years for life. But I think you're going to like the second upgrade even better. Because you took the time to watch this presentation and invest that time into your financial education, we want to offer you that lifetime membership at a 50% discount, cutting the price from $1,197 down to just $597, which is a cash savings today of $600 when you join. Now, when I've told our wealthy advisors and mentors who've participated in this project how little we're charging, they've literally called us crazy because they know that we could easily charge $597 for each individual lesson just because of the contacts that we're giving you access to. But as I mentioned, that really goes against our mission, which is to get this info into the hands of as many people as we possibly can from every financial lot in life. So we've made it even easier to join by setting up a second option for those of you who might be on a budget. Now, instead of paying $1,197 or even $597, you can become a lifetime member of the Elevation Group for just 3 monthly payments of $247. Now, while the $597 lifetime membership option is our most popular, please understand that the 50% discount I'm offering you right now is only available during this presentation. Now, no matter which option you choose, your membership comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you dive into your membership and it's just not right for you for whatever reason, then you can simply head to our support page and request a refund. Here's the bottom line. If you don't feel like you've received 10 times more in value from your membership than the price that you paid, we don't want your money, period. And this means that you have absolutely nothing to lose. Either you're blown away by what you learn and it helps you achieve your financial dreams in the coming years, or you don't pay a dime. Now, for those of you who are wondering if you need to already have money or to be wealthy in order to really benefit from the Elevation Group, I want to address that for you real quick. The short answer is no, you absolutely do not. The amount of money in your bank account right now is temporary. It's going to change over time, and either it's going to go up or it might go down. It's obvious that you want to have more money and more wealth and more prosperity in your future, which is why you're watching this video. Well, in order to make more money and build wealth, you have to change two very important things first, which is how you view money and your financial education. Most people are mentally and emotionally controlled by money. It's this rare, hard to come by paper that determines what they can and cannot do in life. Well, the rich have learned through mentors and education like this that they control money and that it's infinitely available. And once you have this realization, you need the second important ingredient, which is a financial education taught to you by people who are already wealthy. Now, if you do the same thing with your money that they're doing with theirs, you're going to get the same results. It really is that simple. This is how you become wealthy, which is why I believe that the less money you currently have, the more important this education is for you. The Elevation Group is going to change your subconscious mindset and your relationship with wealth and with prosperity every single time you log in and go through the content. How? Well, it's a well-known fact that how much money you make over the next 2 to 5 years will be the average of the 5 people you're associating with most right now. That includes your family members, your coworkers, the characters that you watch on television or in the movies, or who you listen to on the radio, or the people that you study when it comes to improving your life and personal development. And that is the real power of the Elevation Group, because it gives you a direct line into a growing group of some of the most respected and wealthy people in the world that you'll have an opportunity to spend as much time as you want with each and every day. And as you do so, your thinking will change, your attitude will change, your relationships will change, your income will change, and as a result, your financial destiny will change, which means that when you become an EVG member, your potential for wealth accumulation becomes infinite. And what if you don't become a member? Well, the results are pretty obvious. And it's pretty simple. The world's not going to end. You're just going to wake up tomorrow in the exact same frustrated position, or worse, than you're in today. So with that being said, I want to thank you for joining me today. I want to thank you for becoming a member of the Elevation Group in our little movement to change the world for the better. If you haven't created your account yet, just click the payment option that suits you best and get started. You'll get instant access to what I believe is the most valuable and unique source of financial education and contacts on the planet. And this is also your one and only opportunity to lock in that special discount of up to 50% available to you today. So take advantage of it. We are so looking forward to bringing you into the world of the wealthy and helping you and your family create the security and the prosperity that you want. So I'm going to leave you here now with some reviews submitted by our current members who decided to say, yes, I'm in, I want to learn this stuff, and who are extremely glad they did. Thank you so much.
Hi, Mike. Lee Ninneman here. Mike, I'm a financial advisor. When I saw your Elevation Group being advertised, I wanted to see a little bit more of what it was about. There's some scary stuff going on right now in our economy, and I'm always looking for opportunities to be able to educate my people better. And I wanted to take advantage of anything that might educate me more in that regards. As I've had the opportunity to already review some of the items you have there, the infinite banking concept, and now the most recent post, the gold and silver information, I'll tell you, I'm excited. I'm looking forward to the next things that you bring out. I would recommend this to anyone who is seriously looking to make sure that they're not left behind as far as what's going on in this economy. I'll tell you, one word describes it. It's bodacious. Bodacious. Anyone who doesn't know what that word means, look it up, because it describes your program to the T.
Hi, this is Matt Connor from Bozeman, Montana, and the reason why I joined the Elevation Group was for the how-to. I wanted to learn exactly how to implement some of these strategies I've been hearing about for the last few years from guys like Robert Kiyosaki and Michael Maloney. And, that's where the Elevation Group has stepped in and has promised to show us exactly how to implement some of these black box strategies of the rich. And, man, after logging in, I wasn't disappointed at all. There's hours and hours of content in there already covering several different strategies that the rich use. And, in fact, one strategy, the infinite banking strategy, which I probably like the best so far, is something that I've already started implementing as of today. So if you're thinking about joining the Elevation Group, I say just go for it. You have nothing to lose. It's such a small price to pay for securing your financial future. If you don't want to get left behind like the rest of middle-class America as the economy continues to crumble around you, then this is the place to be. I know I haven't been disappointed by joining, and you won't either.
Hi, my name is Eddie Espiritu, and I have been a home-based business entrepreneur since 1994. And I've been very, very pleased and satisfied over the years with all of the products and services that I participated in with Mr. Mike Dillard they've always been top-notch. In fact, when I decided to join the Elevation Group, I really didn't even know what it was going to be about at first. I just knew that if Mike was involved, it was going to be good. Over the years, one of the lessons that I've learned in business is that although it's important what we know, more importantly, it's important who we know. And the Elevation Group is all about giving us access, you and I, the everyday person, giving us access to the knowledge and the connections and the resources that we need to not only create wealth, but long-lasting wealth. When I logged into the back office of the Elevation Group and I started going through the material, needless to say, top-notch is exactly what I expected. If you're considering joining the Elevation Group, I highly recommend it. The information, the knowledge, and the resources will change your life.
Hi guys, this is Andre Akkoord, all the way from the Netherlands in Europe, giving you some information on Mike Dillard's Elevation Group. I've just joined the Elevation Group and I must say I am blown away by the information I'm getting. I'm getting wisdom and knowledge on how to create wealth, to preserve it, so I can leave a heritage for my children, for my children's children. And the way the content is being delivered, it's in a no-nonsense way. It's easy to understand, and it really helps me. So I can honestly recommend this program. There is a money-back guarantee, so if you join, you don't like it, you can step out. But I think if you listen to the first few videos, you'll be blown away and hooked in a positive way. What really added information to me was Mike Maloney speaking on the cycles of silver and gold. Great stuff.
Hi, Cameron Carpenter here in Salt Lake City, Utah. I just wanted to thank you, Mike Dillard, for forming the Elevation Group and for doing the legwork and research that you've done in putting a historical perspective on just what the hell's been going on in the U.S. economy over the last 3 years. I lost a lot of money in 2007, 2008 from investment real estate and was left, frankly, pretty confused and distraught and disenchanted and wondering what the next moves are. And I heard your message about wealth transfer and what to look forward to in the coming months and years based on historical perspective and what's happened in the past, and your information's been spot on. I've been really impressed by the professionals you've put together and the invaluable information and advice they've been able to give so far very early on, and you haven't really even launched yet. So if any of you are thinking about getting into the Elevation Group, I would suggest do it as soon as you can. It's some of the best money you could spend on great advice and getting on in the inside, because if you're not on the inside, you're definitely on the outside, and it's not a good place to be. So hope to see you on the inside soon. Thanks, Mike, and looking forward to the journey.
Hey Mike, Sal Harper here, and I just quickly wanted to share my experience and story with you. 2010 has truly been a life-transforming year for me. You see, earlier this year, I discovered my life's purpose is to help others with their finances. I have always been a good steward of money, and reflecting on my career as a budget and financial analyst, I didn't realize until recently that managing a multi-million-dollar budget for a Fortune 50 company has been preparation for the opportunity today to teach others how to manage and invest their own money. Inside the Elevation Group, you have provided us with the most advanced resources, tools, and investment information that the average person doesn't even know exist. Only the ultra-wealthy have been privy to this information until now. And the best part about this site is that you don't have to be rich to start applying some of these investment strategies. Now, I know I sound like a paid advertisement, but that's just my passion and enthusiasm about how EBG is helping to educate people on so many levels. Anyone concerned about their financial future and financial security must take a look at the Elevation Group. Mike, I am so excited to be a part of this group. Thanks for caring, my friend, and sharing this wealth of information.
Hey guys, if you're on this page, it's because you're looking at Mike Dillard and you're familiar with Mike Dillard's content. This is Nate Forrest from Fayetteville, Arkansas, with the Razorback Marching Band behind me. Guys, if you're thinking about the Elevation Group, don't think about it. Join today. The information inside is phenomenal. As we've always been taught, it's not what you know, but it's who you know. Your income will be determined by the top 5 people you spend your time with. And that's the best part about the Elevation Group is Mike Dillard has aligned himself with millionaires and literally billionaires and put together some content so you know when to get in, when to get out, what the wealth cycles are. Guys, if you're thinking about the Elevation Group, get in.
Hello, my name is Jeff Pierce. I'm a full-time day trader from Vancouver, and I interact daily with traders whose biggest concerns are how high is gold going to go? Are we going to experience hyperinflation? And the answer to these questions and more is what makes the Elevation Group an industry first. When I first logged on, I was like, wow, I'm not alone. There's a community here. Because after the '08 meltdown left most with a sense of, what do I do now? That's very short-term thinking when you need to be thinking longer term. And that's what I like best about the Elevation Group, is it teaches you how to protect your savings in an era of rising taxes and currency devaluations, while empowering you by providing contacts and the knowledge to create a passive income. And to those who are thinking about joining the Elevation Group, I firmly believe that you are better off with Mike Dillard and his proven track record of success to deliver you the skills and the tools needed to get you to wherever your financial destination is. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Dr. Ricardo Lalama, and I'm a chiropractor here in the state of New Jersey. And like most traditional professionals, I actually went down the route of getting good grades, getting a good education, getting a good job, and also making good money. The only problem is that I actually never learned or even had time to learn how to leverage my finances. And just knowing that has been so frustrating for me for a long time, because I knew it was a language of finances that I had to learn how to speak. So when I learned that Mike Dillard was actually organizing the Elevation Group, I knew that I had to jump right in. So I didn't hesitate. I jumped right in, became a member, and I started learning the information that he has back there. And I got to tell you, what the amount of information he has so far is very impressive. And just knowing that it's a tip of the iceberg, I mean, I'm just literally blown away. You learn stuff like that I never knew, what wealth cycles are, how to leverage and position yourself to gain the most from them. You'll learn how to leverage your life insurance and also your mortgage. We're constantly taught to traditionally to pay it off as soon as we can, but you got to learn how to, what they'll teach you is learn how to leverage it like the wealthy do. And also becoming your own bank, that blew me away. How do you become your own bank? You'll learn that in the back office with the Elevation Group. Now, as a chiropractor, we're constantly taught to teach our patients that structure dictates function. And it's the same exact thing here. What you will learn in the back office of the Elevation Group is that if you structure your finances accordingly and properly, you will actually have a function so they can grow and benefit you in the long run. So, with that said, know that the knowledge you gain in the back will be vital for your future. And not only that, you'll have the resources to apply this knowledge. So if you're thinking about joining the Elevation Group, definitely do so. Don't hesitate. Do like I did, just jump right in and start learning. With that said, I look forward to someday maybe perhaps creating a strategic alliance. Take care.
Hey guys, this is Eric Webster, and I just wanted to tell you a little bit about why I decided to get involved with Mike Dillard and his new Elevation Group. First, it's Mike Dillard. He always brings top notch, and he's done it again. When I first opened up the back office, I saw, whoa, he went a lot beyond what I thought he was going to do. Because, I've studied a lot of these issues, and I'm actually pretty well aware with a lot of stuff Mike's talked about publicly so far. But here's the deal. Unless you got connections, and this is what Mike brings to the table, is connections. Some of this stuff, you're not going to get a seat at the table. You're not going to be able to play, no matter how educated you are about it. Some of this stuff, you got to have the connections. And Mike, being the celebrity it is, he brings those connections. So if you're even thinking about this, you need to get in because, we got a disaster coming. And this is the information you need to get ahead, stay ahead, and prosper when everybody else is suffering. So get on in. It's going to be a good ride. Catch you later.
Hey everybody, Laura Reeves here. Just a quick shout out to let you know that I joined the Elevation Group about a week and a half ago. The information I'm getting inside that group from the mega wealthy is amazing to me. I desperately needed it for my own finances. I don't have a problem making the money, but I have a little bit of a problem keeping the money. So I'm having a blast. I cannot believe the information that has already helped me to strategize for my future that I've gotten on the inside. And I can't even imagine what I'm going to learn in the months to come. I love it. If you're thinking of joining the Elevation Group, you might want to ask yourself, instead of, why should I join the Elevation Group, you might want to ask yourself, why wouldn't you? This is important for our future. It's important to take control of our own destiny, and I am excited as all get out. So hope to see you on the inside. Take care.
My name is Dan Jay. I'm from Dallas, Texas. The reason I joined the Elevation Group is I work in the financial services industry, life settlements to be exact. I manage portfolios, professional athletes, and high net worth individuals. So when I saw that Mike Dillard was coming out with a new product, knowing Mike's history and that he's always ahead of the curve, I was like, I'll check it out. So I ended up getting inside the back office and checking it out, and I was completely blown away. This is not information that you can find anywhere. This isn't stuff your CPA is going to tell you. It's certainly not stuff you're going to learn in college or anything like that, or in my case, anything that you're being taught in the financial services industry. So if you're thinking about joining the Elevation Group, please do for your own family's future. I don't care if you're just looking to add an extra few $100s a month with an investment, or you're looking to create a long-term situation like Paul Harmon talks about in his videos, and being able to create your own family bank and things like that. That's just stuff that's never been talked about before, and you're never going to find it anywhere else. So I would always recommend that you join the Elevation Group and just get out of what I feel like I'm getting out of. Thanks.
Hello there, my name is Lucian Bouchard. I'm a 32-year-old Gen Xer that's been dealt the lucky fate of having to pay for the baby boomers' retirement. I spent the past 14 years or so as an entrepreneur learning about wealth creation from some of the top millionaires in this industry. And I've got to tell you folks, what they've taught me is nothing in comparison to what I've learned in the Elevation Group so far. The information in the Elevation Group is downright shocking and nearly scared me half to death when I reviewed it. So I'll tell you folks, there's nothing out there in this world right now like the Elevation Group. And just to take a moment to share with you about Mike Dillard, guys, he's just a man of integrity, and when he speaks you should really listen. The information that he'll provide you is just absolutely incredible. So I can't wait to see what Mike Dillard has in store for us. I can't wait to share a mastermind with you all in this group, and let's take this journey together. So if you're on the fence about whether you should join the Elevation Group, just do it already. Take the plunge, and I'll tell you, it'll be the best financial decision that you've ever made in your entire life. So I'll see you all on the inside. Thanks so much, Mike Dillard, and I'll talk to you guys later. Enjoy.
Hey everyone, my name is Gary Houghton, and I'd like to take a minute and just share with you my reasons for why I joined the Elevation Group. There's just so much uncertainty right now in the markets and the overall economy, and like you, I'm a little bit overwhelmed with it. So I heard that Mike Dillard was going to start this company called the Elevation Group, where he was going to share with people like you and me, ordinary people, the secrets of the ultra wealthy. And I thought to myself, oh my goodness, like what other opportunity do we have where we can follow somebody, a successful person, and what they're going to do with their money over the next 3 to 5 years. So I signed up, got in the back office, and was just blown away with the content. It's not rocket science. The manner in which it's taught, it's easy to understand. The information is you can apply right away. And so I'm excited that I'm taking advantage of this. And if you're watching this video and you're undecided, you're not sure if you're going to sign up, sign up. I mean, join us on the inside. The information that you're going to learn and what you're going to be able to do with your money in the next 3 to 5 years is just going to be huge. Thank you again, Mike, for providing this value to us, and I look forward to seeing everybody on the inside.